Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Monday. That means I'm back at Aldi. I had some meals shift from last week to this week, which means I have a smaller haul, and I am not even shopping for this weekend because we're having pool parties and we haven't planned what the food's going to be. So get in the store with me, get my smaller week of groceries. My kids start summer vacation this week. It's very hectic. I feel like I'm losing my mind, but we still gotta eat, right? So let's get in, see what goodies Aldi has for me, and I'll share with you my small meal plan at the end. Okay, we are gonna have more snacks at home now that my kids are gonna be home. I'm getting dry roasted peanuts with salt and honey roasted. They're $2.29 a piece. Okay, I'm very curious, does anyone's Aldi still carry the Aldi version of these? I don't wanna pay $3.99, but my teenager wants them. Okay, I didn't have this on the meal plan, but it'll go in the freezer because it'll only be 79 cents. White bread, toast, $1.29. Couple mangoes, I like to cut these up with dinner, 89 cents a piece. I'm gonna get 2. Green grapes win because they're the cheapest ones and they are so firm. They look really good, $1.49 a pound. I'm going to get 3 cucumbers at 65 cents a piece. I just slice them and my kids love them. Easy addition to meals. I'm gonna get a cantaloupe at $1.99. My kids also love this. We just serve slices. I want lettuce for salads. This is the only romaine and it looks gross. So I think I'm gonna get the artisan lettuce for $2.89. Disappointed there was no asparagus and no watermelon and very little romaine. All of them are on my list, so we're gonna change things up a bit, I guess. Eggs are only $1.18. I need more. $2.65 for a gallon of 2% milk. I haven't bought chocolate milk in a while, but my kids do love it. $1.61, and it'll be a little treat. They'll all hoot and holler. Okay, I'm gonna get, my daughter asked for juice, so I'm gonna get this pineapple juice with orange juice, $3.39. I'm disappointed the all dressed up potato chips I bought last week were so good. I was gonna buy them again, but they're gone. They are delicious. I'm getting applesauce because with my kids home more, 2 of my 3 kids love applesauce, $2.95. We are almost out of yellow mustard. No need for it this week, but just something we keep on hand, 95 cents. Okay, my middle daughter asked for these. I'm gonna get both flavors because I really don't know which one she wanted, oats and honey or the peanut butter ones. These are so good, very delicious. Extra strength energy shots. I'm going to get 5 of them for my husband, 99 cents a piece. We have lots of these pools for $60. Now, I have never set one of these up myself, but I've seen really good reviews of these on the Aldi Facebook groups. And for $60, it seems like a pretty good value. Okay, these chairs are $40, but they are so nice. I have a more expensive name brand version that we got my kids for Christmas, but we love taking them to t-ball games and they open up and they collapse and then they have handles to carry them. If we didn't already have them, I'd be buying these, and they're pretty colors too. So they have the pretty summer gnomes, $8.99. They have the 4th of July Americana ones, and they have the little guys. Very cute. Trek sandals. Oh, Father's Day cards. Okay, I'm gonna get one of these. World's best dad. My husband does deserve that. He is a wonderful dad. Cheers to you. Happy Father's Day. That's cute. Great job, Dad. Stars. Lots of cute ones. Oh, to the cheesiest. Oh, that's funny. My dad would like that one. I'll get that for him. Okay, a lot of the things in this aisle seem like they've been here a while, but I really like this. A foldable mat with a bracket for the beach. I think it looks really nice. And $12.99, it seems like a really good value. And pretty lightweight to carry. They have different vests here. Oh, woven throws. Look how pretty these are. These are supposed to be, I think, sand resistant too. $19.99. Portable lounge, another beach lounger. Okay. Sand-free outdoor mat. That's pretty nice. I don't know if they have lots of colors. Oh, there's a couple different ones. Very cute. A portable neck fan. Oh, jean shorts. Actually, I kind of like that. I don't know, the jegging material is not my favorite, but they look cute. Kind of going back and forth here. They also have these master cutting boards that have little holders and strainers in there. Pretty nice. $9.99. Tablecloths. I don't really love the graphics on them, but drink caddy. Good Father's Day gifts, maybe. Okay, we ran out of parchment paper. I need it. $2.59. I'm actually gonna get 2 of them so I can stick an extra in my pantry. Okay, I'm gonna grab a pack of tortillas. This is just for lunches, very easy. My kids can do a lot of things with tortillas, very simple, from quesadillas, tacos. They can have roll-ups with hummus, lots of things, $1.45. Okay, my 11-year-old specifically requested angel hair pasta. It's $1.89 for 2 pounds. She will be happy. And Parmesan for $2.89. I've never noticed these before. Takeout on the go. So Kung Pao ramen, pad thai, and teriyaki, $2.49 a piece. They don't even look teriyaki. I'm surprised there's not beef broth in here. I just wish they were cheaper, like those ones. I need a flour and a sugar. Baking supplies are just running low. $2.71 for the sugar, $2.19 for the flour. It's $5.59 a pound. I'm gonna make steak bites. It's $6.71 total. I was excited. I saw these were on sale for $2.49 plus $1 off, but it's only the buffalo chicken, which none of my kids would eat, but I thought they'd be good to stick in the freezer if they were cheese. Okay, so we have chicken nuggets, some grilling items, some of the leftover German week stuff is still here. Oh, they have their Master Grill collection, and that is $60 for all that. 7.37 pounds of meat. This stuff looks like the same as last week. Maybe some ribs are new. Breakfast pizza. Oh, onion rings. Those do look good. Pork tamales. They have enchiladas over there that are $3.95 a piece. Buffalo pizza. Mozzarella, cherry tomato, and arugula. That sounds yummy. Mini pizza cones. Interesting. Oh, the jalapeno popper pizza. I've had that before. It was alright. I'm not buying it again though. Broccoli and cauliflower blend rice. That looks yummy, but I like their normal stuff enough. And it's $1 cheaper. And lots of ice creams. These still call to me. They still sound really good, but they're over $1 a piece. I don't know. It's over $1 a piece for half of a banana. That just seems too expensive, even though it sounds good. My kids love this cheese, and since they're home for lunches now, I'm gonna grab 2 bags, $2.89 a piece. It's their favorite on salads, on quesadillas, anything. These are on clearance for $1.29. It sounds really yummy, but the date is today, and I just don't think I'd eat it today. I'm tempted for that price, but it's a waste of $1.29 if I don't eat it. And that brought me over here. That looks so good. Made with real bananas. I'm gonna get grapefruit water, $3.45 for the 12 pack. Super disappointed. There's only one of my waters, and I'm running low at home, so I'm gonna get it 89 cents. This seems like it'd be a good gift. A shredding set with different rubs and mustards, barbecue sauces, $12.99. Okay, so here is my small grocery cart. Any guess on the total? Okay, so my total was $79.17. That's the first time I've been so happy with my grocery total in a long time. I'm barely home and look who's already at the grapes. Are they good? Are they nice and firm?
Yeah.
Okay, the meal plan for the week. We have 2 nights of butter chicken. Because I didn't make it last week, I just rolled it over to this week. We're having steak with the angel hair pasta, and I'm gonna have salad and rolls. I have frozen road rolls that I kind of doctor up a bit. It's my husband and I, our 15-year anniversary, so we're gonna go out to dinner and have a sitter for the kids, hopefully my in-laws, but whoever they're with will take care of dinner. My oldest daughter requested pizza this week. I was actually gonna make homemade pizza, but she wanted carry out, so we're gonna do that. And then this weekend we have pool parties for both of my daughter's classes, one for 5th graders, one for 7th graders, an end of the year thing. We did it last year, it was a lot of fun. But we haven't gotten that yet, but that's gonna be Saturday and Sunday of this week, so I'm not meal planning because that's also gonna be our meal. We're gonna basically eat the same thing 2 days in a row, and it's gonna be pool party picnic food. Still have to get it though. So we have a very simple meal plan because I had stuff that carried over from last week and pool parties at the end. Anniversary dinner, carry out pizza, like I said, very simple. And somehow it was still $80. It felt good at Aldi, but now that I'm thinking about it, that's kind of a lot. I mentioned that I was gonna make homemade pizza and I'm not, but if you wanna see how I make pizzas using a pizza oven, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.